going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we had a company reach out to us and they sent us out some really sweet taillights for this 04 Chevy Silverado. So we're going to go ahead and install them on the truck, show you guys what they're all about, and let you know our thoughts. Like I said, this is not a paid review, so we're going to give you the real deal. Let's go ahead and open up this box. So the company is called OKSIWA, O-K-S-I-W-A. Not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. The funny thing is that the taillights that are actually in this truck are from this company. I actually purchased these taillights 5 or 6 years ago. They've been a really good taillight. Happy with them. Like I said, they reached out to us and they wanted us to check them out. So I ain't gonna say no. So let's go ahead and open these bad boys up. So they did send me a little bit of video on these taillights, and they are dang sweet. So I'm excited to put them in the truck and check them out. Got a little pamphlet install guide. That's pretty sweet. A lot of companies, they don't send you an install guide. You just got to plug and play typically. But with a lot of LED taillights and stuff like that, if they don't have resistors in them, you're going to have that hyper flash and things like that. So this is pretty cool that they've got a little installation guide for you. And it actually shows all different types of bulbs. Got your different connectors in there. Right way, wrong way. Yeah, I like that. Sweet. So anyway, let's show what we got here. Nice packaging. They got them double wrapped so they don't scratch up. I'm not going to unwrap this. So this is something that I do here. I install the tail light first before I unwrap it. I'll just peel the plastic back just enough so we can get it bolted in, and then I'll peel the plastic after we install it. That just takes care of no scratching. If you drop it, if anything like that, this plastic protector will just save you a little bit. Or if you set it down on its face, it's just a little bit of protectant. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy installed. As I can see right here, though, I do see that they have resistors in there for the hyper flash and things like that. So that is another bonus. Let's get rocking and rolling. Install this bad boy. So right away I was checking all the plugs, and there's going to be a few bulbs we're not going to use. So in my original tail lights we had the reverse light here, so we're going to go ahead and pull that bulb, get that bad boy out, and you're no longer going to use that little marker light. So you go ahead and pull that out so it don't melt nothing. And it's pretty self-explanatory. You're going to take your light, and each one of these guys has a little plug. That is going to be your reverse light there. And your middle guy, brakes and running lights. And then your turn signals. Pretty plug and play. Then you can screw in all your little connectors there. So far, I'm pretty impressed with the install. It is very much a plug and play. And you're just going to tuck it back up in there and throw your screws in. Let's go ahead and check these lights out. Why don't you give us some brake light? Nice. Nice and bright. Go ahead and give us a left turn signal. Whoa. That sequential is sick. How about right? Yes, sir. Give us some reverse. Got some bright little white lights in there. Not bad. All right, give us some running. This one's supposed to be the coolest right here. Go ahead, give us running lights. Dang. So that is what they call the startup on these taillights. And that right there, that little light show that they gave, that is sick. I really, really like that. So what we're going to do is, it's getting a little bit late now. We're going to wait till just about dusk, getting into dark. We're going to go out and get some shots of this thing and kind of drive around and see what they look like at night and give you guys an honest review. But as of now, I think these things are freaking sweet. I'm in love with them. had these taillights in for 2 weeks now. We've been able to test them out night and day, put them through the durability test. We live on a really crappy dirt road, so they've taken the abuse of bumps and stuff. A teenager drives this truck, so you know he ain't driving it very nice. And everything is still just running strong. We've taken this truck to 2 truck meets so far, and everybody we've shown wants to get their hands on these things. They absolutely love them. They've been the talk of the truck meets so far. I think they'll definitely grab some attention of everybody. If you guys are interested in these tail lights, I'm gonna have the link in this description down below. Click on that bad boy. It'll take you straight to these tail lights if you're interested in purchasing these ones. Definitely get on their website. They carry many tail lights from Ford, Dodge, Toyota, and stuff like that, and the Chevys like that. So as far as that goes, they have a wide range of tail lights. If this isn't the truck you have, but you're interested in these tail lights, go check them out. Just a recap on the review of these tail lights. Fitment is great, installation is plug and play, and who doesn't want a set of sweet tail lights with sequential and light shows in them? I know I do. Appreciate you guys watching, checking out these tail lights. We'll see you in the next one.